Fall is in the air, and I was able to harvest so many apples from the community garden this season, and I thought, hey, let's make some apple pie filling, put them in jars so that we could have apple pie year-round, right? So here is my recipe for apple pie. First, you're gonna take a lot of apples, probably about 4 pounds, and you're gonna give them all a nice peel. Then, once all of your apples are peeled, I'm going to chop them up into little chunks. Probably about 1/4 inch chunks here. Chop, chop. And it doesn't have to be exact or perfect. It gives it a nice little rustic feeling, right? Once all your apples are chopped, you're going to need butter, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, which has cinnamon, ginger, clove, and nutmeg in it. I like to add it into my pumpkin pie because it gives it extra flavor. It's so good. And I have here my vanilla sugar, but you could use regular white sugar. You're gonna need brown sugar, cornstarch, and water. I have about a cup of water that I am mixing 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of my vanilla sugar. Give that a nice whisk. Then in my Dutch oven pan, I'm gonna add in about, I ended up using the whole stick of butter, so adding in a lot of butter into your pan, and the heat is on medium-high at this point. And once the butter is melted, we're gonna add in our cubed apples. Look at all those apples. Then I'm gonna add in 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of my vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of that's cinnamon, and then I added half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, but I added in total, I believe, a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Because I love the cinnamon flavor, and I like it really, really spicy and cinnamony. It's really good. So then you put all your spices, your sugar, and you're gonna mix it up with the butter, and you're gonna let it go for about 15 minutes. Look at this, after 15 minutes, your apples are caramelized and they've released their juices. Then I'm going to add in the cornstarch slurry mixture, and I'm going to mix it up and let it come up to a boil. And I was heating some water on the side just in case my apples got too dry, then I could add more water to it. I ended up not adding any water, extra water, because I thought my apple pie filling was perfect. But you can make it however thick or loose as you would like. Remember to always taste your filling or whatever food you're making to make sure the seasoning and spices are all right. Then I put it on top of a donut and topped it with some vanilla bean ice cream and surprised my partner with that for dessert. It was really, really good.
It's delicious.
Donut, apple pie filling, vanilla bean ice cream.
Hell yeah. Tastes good. Wait, what? I think it's all good. This is all mine, right? You know, your own.
And I was able to get 3.5 jars from all of those apples, and the following day I made apple pie. So give it a try, let me know how it turned out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.